Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. This is my IPSY unboxing for November. This is a really cute bag. It's 3 tones, 4 tones. Let's call it a color block. Call it a color block. It's cute. Very cute. Okay, I'm excited. Ooh, brushes. Their brushes are super soft, okay? Every brush I've gotten has been really nice. And I have touched them all, washed them all, and then touched them all. Yes. This is the Farah, Be Beautiful, Be You. This is a Farah brush set for eyes. This is cute. And they send like a complete little set. It's never like 1 or 2 brushes. It's like 3, 4, 5 brushes. I'm like, yes, I'm all about that. I'm feeling it. Ooh, are these labeled? Because the last set of brushes I got, oh, yes, tapered blending. Ooh, yes. Tapered blending, a short shader, which some of the letters came off of that one. That's okay. Mini tapered blending, large shaping, and this looks like a fly wings. Oh, yes. I don't wear a lot of eye makeup anymore, but I love the fact that I'm getting all new brushes. So when I do start wearing it, when we don't have to wear masks all the time, which I can still do my eyes. I'm just being lazy. But anyway, these are cute. I can't wait to use these. I'm not taking these with me on my trip because I'm only going to be there for a few days. I'm not bringing a whole lot of makeup. And yeah, I'm not trying to go through all that because I'm going to be mostly focusing on eating. Okay, the next thing in the bag is the Violet Moss 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Cute box. I apologize for the lighting. I've got like every light on in this room and it's still bad. Because I would love to be filming this outside, but by the time I film this outside, I'll need to be ready to go. So, moving forward, this box has a nice feel to it too. Unfortunately, I cannot get it open. Okay, there we go. That is a secure box. It's got like this velvety matte texture. Very pretty. And so does the box. Oh, wow, that's lovely. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I might take these with me. These, okay, see what they did there? They send me the brushes and then they send me an eyeshadow palette that I really, really want to try. How pretty are those colors? Let me get my flashlight on. Let me help you see this. Let me help you see this. Did I turn the flashlight on? Look at those colors. Oh, that's not good. How about from there? Nope, too bright. Okay, that's a good color. And it has a nice mirror too. I look so tired. That's okay. That's okay though, because I have been up for many, many hours. Oh, I actually might have to take this with me. Okay. Dang it. I'm really mad. I'm not really upset. Those are pretty. And this is the Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. Trestique. Icelandic Black Lacquer. Oh, here's the box. Ooh, this is... What? This is ginormous. Okay, so... Okay, flip down to curl. It's got... Wait, what? Huh? Does this come with instructions? Oh! Oh! Okay, here we go. It moves that. I thought it was a mascara. Is it a mascara also? Oh my! Oh my! Okay. Okay. It's a 3 and 2 in 1. So I've got a lash curler, which I don't need. Because I always hurt myself. That's why I say I don't need it. Not because I really don't need it, but because I always hurt myself. So this pushes up. Oh, it goes. Oh, see, you see how I discovered that just now? Wow. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Glad I didn't touch that. I might give that to somebody. That is actually pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Very creative packaging. Whoever thought of that? Okay. Thumbs up to you. Next thing in the bag is the Sugar Rush by Tarte Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. Oh, they have sent me 2 lip oils, and I have liked them both. This is my third, and and this is in dragon fruit. Ooh, yes. I know you couldn't see that. Sorry. I'm going to take the color out. I'm in a hurry because, yes, I have to pack. Okay. I'm not sure about this packaging. But this color, though. Okay, I'm going to save this and give this to my sister because, like I said, I do have 2. I don't want to be greedy, but this is pretty. Oh, I hope she doesn't watch this video before I get there. Okay, so I'm going to save that for her. Maybe I can give her the mascara, too, because you know I have a ton of mascaras, right? Don't judge me. You know I'm a junkie. The last thing is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals. I don't know what all these sound effects are. Sorry. Seraphine Botanicals. So it's a more naturally kind of thing, which I think is something I mentioned in my profile for IPSY. And it's completely sealed. And it is a lip mask. Fruit butter, like I said, fruit butter lip mask. Sorry, the color is so dark. An intense overnight lip mask that envelops the skin with vegan glycolipids. Thank you. Shea butter and apricot kernel butter to deliver intense hydration. I mean, it couldn't be smaller. I mean, it could be, but still. Hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. The formula gently melts into skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines and imparts a rich, dewy finish, 100% paraben-free and blended with derivatives of olive oil in order to further nourish and help improve the health and texture of lips. Can also be used during the day as a powerful restorative lip balm. Oh, cruelty-free and vegan. The focusing is just bad. Sorry. I apologize. These videos are going to be crap. But I got them done, and I can now play with the stuff that I just got. Oh, I am a hot mess. Okay. That's it. And then there's the little IPSY information sheet. Okay, so I really honestly have been thinking about stopping my IPSY, but I changed my mind because every month they send me something and I'm like, oh, that is so cute. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I'm not going to stop IPSY. Sorry. Then they sent me this thing of the quarterly box that's supposed to have all this luxe stuff in it, and I don't know how much the box is. It says an additional 30. And I'm like, is it an additional 30 on top of the 25 I'm already paying? So is it like 55? Or is it just $30 in addition to what you're paying for your monthly box? Like, that makes more sense. I don't think they worded it really well, but I might have to subscribe to that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Okay. Hold on. Deluxe edit with skincare dreams are made of. Don't miss your ultimate assortment. No, that's not it. It might be, but I didn't think it was just skincare. But anyway, hair and makeup edit, the skincare edit, and the luxe edit. Okay, we're not gonna get into that. This is my luxe. This is luxe. This is my IPSY haul. I'm actually gonna pack a couple of these things and take them with me. I can't believe it. I'm taking these brushes. You know that, right? Either these or some that I've already cleaned. And this eye palette. I can't. They do this to me every time. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope I made you smile. I hope I made you laugh at something that I did or didn't do. I hope you can get past the quality of this video because the lighting is bad. And I'm going to get a different light set up eventually. It's just not really high on my priority list right now. Because this is just a hobby for me. This is just me having fun doing something that I love, which is opening stuff and getting presents. This I might give to my sister, though, because this is so cool. Because I want to keep it, but I feel like I would be greedy if I kept it. And I don't mind being greedy when it comes to mascara. You know this. But this is so wicked cool. My niece might like this too. Decisions. Okay. Don't watch the video though. Crap, I just gave it away. Okay. Y'all have a great week. Have a blessed holiday season. For those of us who have lost loved ones during this year and the past, and they are celebrating this season for the first time without someone that you care about, I pray that you find peace and comfort in their memory and in the love that you have for them. Peace.